Welcome to How-FixIT, and in this video I show you how to replace the ear speaker on iPhone 7 Plus. What tools you will need to disassemble the iPhone 7 Plus? A screwdriver set, plastic mediator, tweezers, section cap for removing display, adhesive tape for restore water protection. In the description under the video I left link where you can buy all necessary tools and replacement parts for iPhone 7 Plus. Turn off the iPhone and remove SIM card tray. Remove two screws near charging port with Pintalope 0.8mm screwdriver. Take a hairdryer and heat the display surface for 1 or 2 minutes. Set the section cap near home button and pull up the ring. Next, take the plastic mediator and begin to disconnect the display from the case of iPhone. On the top of display inside there are two latches that attach to the case, so you need to pull the display down and unstick the display from top. The case of iPhone 7 Plus opens like a book. Now take a tri-wing screwdriver and remove all screws on the lower metal panel and 3 screws on the upper metal panel. First, disconnect the battery cable from the mainboard and after disconnect 3 display cables. To replace the ear speaker, you need to take only a few steps. Unscrew 5 screws and remove the metal bracket. Now remove the ear speaker. In the description under the video I left link where to buy new ear speaker for iPhone 7 Plus. Let's begin to installation new ear speaker. Install the ear speaker and put the metal holder on top. Fasten 5 screws. Now you can connect the display module and check how the new ear speaker works. Please note that first connect 3 display cables and lastly the battery cable. If the iPhone works fine, you can begin to the final stage to assembly with restoration of water resistance. Remove the adhesive tape from the back cover of iPhone. Now take a cotton swab and medical or isopropyl alcohol and wipe the iPhone back cover from the remains of glue. Now take a waterproof adhesive tape and put it on the iPhone case. Using this adhesive tape, you restore resistance to dust and water. First, connect 3 display cables to mainboard and then connect the battery cable. Install metal panels and fasten all screws. Turn the display over and push it to the back cover. Fasten last 2 screws near charging connector. Install the SIM card and turn on the iPhone. I hope this video was useful to you and helps repair your iPhone 7 Plus. See you soon on How-FixIT.